Now you've sorted out which idea you think has the highest potential of success. The next step is to find out what your potential customers think and feel about it. Remember, you're still looking at the idea at this stage, not the physical product. This step is all about market research. This is covered in detail in the Sizing Up the Market module. There's one very important point to note here, and that's to do with keeping your idea confidential. If you're considering applying for a patent, you must keep your idea confidential, at least until you file a patent application, and preferably for as long as possible. Take care not to disclose your idea when you are doing your market research. You can refer to your idea in a general way, but should not disclose the detail or it will compromise your intellectual property. Confidentiality is covered in greater detail in the Intellectual Property module in this series. Let's now look at market research you need to do. There are two main sorts of market research, quantitative and qualitative. Quantitative research is all about figures. It's used to determine market size, market share, and market growth rates. You can use surveys and questionnaires, as well as some desk research. Qualitative research is all about opinions. This is used to find out what your potential customers think and feel about your idea. You can use in-depth interviews with individuals and focus groups. That's where several people take part in a discussion. I suggest you start by doing desk research to find out all the facts and figures about the market, the size, rate of growth, trends, the number and type of competitors, and so on. There are lots of sources of useful data, and a number of them are listed in this section. Many of them are free, but be aware that there may be a charge for some of the commercial reports, and often, if there is a charge, you can get an initial synopsis of the information free. Sometimes this gives you what you want to know. Once you've done your desk research, you'll want to do some hands-on research to find out what potential customers think. As well as individual interviews or focus groups, you can also use observation and just watch how customers behave when they're shopping or when they're using similar products. Make sure you talk to enough people to have a worthwhile sample. It's no good just getting the opinion of a few friends. You want as realistic a picture as possible to increase your chances of success. Once you've gathered all the information, use it. You may want to adapt your idea or refine it in light of what you learn. After all, you want to develop a product that matches what the customer wants as closely as possible. That will help you improve your chances of success.